Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a Grabber Blue 2017 Ford Mustang EcoBoost Premium. This is a soft top convertible and the stock number is A7224. Starting up front, there are factory fog lights. Hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a Goodyear Eagle tire. Inside you have a beautiful black leather upholstery which is in fantastic condition. There is seating for two in the front row and seating for two in the second row, making this a 4-passenger Mustang. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is a dual exhaust here. You've also got a backup camera and keyless entry for the trunk. As you can see, it is very clean inside here. And the reason that I'm showing you this Ford today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments and carpeted floor mats. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have cruise control buttons, and on the right-hand side, you have audio controls. On the driver's side visor here, there are HomeLink garage door opener buttons. Coming down to the center, you've got a great touchscreen display here, which is actually where your backup camera shows. Coming over to the home screen, you can see you can control your climate from here. You do have a CD player along with an AM/FM radio and capabilities for Sirius satellite radio. And then you do also have a navigation system. Coming down underneath of that, you can see your audio controls here. There are dual climate controls as well as buttons for heated and cooled front row seating. Here's your push button start as well as a USB port. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission with a 2.3-liter 4-cylinder engine and in highway mileage that gets you around 28 miles per gallon. Now coming up above the rear view mirror, very cool feature here for the convertible top. You just go ahead and hold that button down, and as you can see, that is a very fast transition to get that opened and closed. If you'd like to get more information on this Mustang or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.